The counter is a very simple node. When step is triggered on the counter will add the increment to the value and output it. So if I trigger step with this button, output the number to the touchscreen, it'll count up by 1 every time I press the button. If I change the increment to 2, it'll count up by 2. It also has an increment first option, which most of the time that doesn't really matter. You can also make the increment negative. Another cool thing you can do is set the increment at the same time as you trigger step. So if I do this, -1 on that button, step, and 1 on this button, one button will count up and one button will count down. Very simple but very useful.